Yo guys, what's up? And we're here with another video called Yo guys, as you can see from the title of our video, this content is for budgeting build, budgeting your gaming PC. As well as you might know, or as well as you might hear, there are lots of demanding games in this year's 2018 browse. Those games are PUBG, Fortnite, and Overwatch. If you have been dreaming of playing those famous games, but in return those games are demanding a good PC or a gaming one, but you don't have the right money to build. So this video is intended for that, bro. Alright guys, let's head on to the build. But I have something to tell you. I don't have all these parts because I don't have money. But what I am actually going to show you are the parts and what are they compatible of, and also what are they capable of doing with such high specs build. Without further ado, let's proceed to our build. The first component is the processor. The processor that we pick is the Core i3 Kaby Lake series, the 7100, and with 3.9 GHz. It has 2 cores and has 4 threads, and the socket is the LGA1151. The processor also supports hyper-threading with 4K support of resolution with 60 Hz refresh rate. So guys, our motherboard of choice is the ASRock B250M Pro 4. This motherboard also supports the 7th and 6th gen Intel processors and also the Pentium and Celerons. Not only does this board support the 6th and 7th gen Intel processors, but it also supports the AMD Quad Crossfire and supports triple monitor. So guys, the case that we picked was the Fortress Panamera casing with 700 watts PSU, but the 700 watts power supply is not intended for this build because we're gonna replace it later in the video. So the description on this case is shown there. Our RAM of choice is the ADATA XBG. It is 2 4GB RAMs of sticks, and it is a DDR4 RAM. So guys, the description on the ADATA RAM is in the screen. And our next component is going to be the GPU, or graphics cards. So our graphics card of choice is the GT Gigabyte 1030. It is a low profile graphics card with 2 gigs of GDDR5 RAM and has a 64-bit. Only has this GPU have 2 GB of GDDR5 memory graphics, but it can also be boost, or meaning to say overclock. The next component is our power supply. As I was saying earlier in this video, that we are going to be replacing our stock power supply on the casing. The power supply that we are gonna replace with is the Corsair VS450. The description on this power supply is in the screen, so watch. The next component that we are gonna be needing for this build is the SSD, or the solid state drive. So without further ado, our SSD is also a data SSD. The description is on the screen. The next component that we are going to be needing for this build is the hard drive. So the hard drive is a 1TB Seagate Barracuda. The description is still in the screen. Our summary for this build is 26,000 pesos. This is the budget.
Guys,
But as always, thank you for watching.